In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see picture reviews on Dhgate 2026 step by step. Picture reviews are one of the best ways to judge product quality before you buy. So let's walk through exactly where to find them. Start by opening your browser and heading to dhgate.com. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log in so the site shows the right currency, shipping options, and language for your region. Once you're in, click your profile at the top to confirm you're logged in. You'll still have the main search bar visible across the header. Next, move to the search bar. Type the item you're interested in. Let's use shirt as a simple example and press enter. You'll see a results page with lots of listings. Take a quick look at the product thumbnails, prices, and ratings to get a feel for what's available. If you're aiming for something specific, refine your keywords, but browsing is great if you're just exploring. When something catches your eye, click that listing to open the product page. Near the top, you'll find a menu or a set of tabs, typically including description, shipping, and reviews. That top menu is where the review section lives. And that's what we need. Go ahead and click reviews. Once you're in the review section, scroll down. Here you'll find buyer feedback and, importantly, the reviews with customer photos. These photo reviews are often shown as small image thumbnails attached to each comment. Click a thumbnail to enlarge it and swipe or use the arrows to view additional images if the reviewer uploaded more than one. Photo reviews are incredibly useful for seeing color accuracy in normal lighting, fabric texture, stitching details, and real-world fit. If you don't immediately see photos, keep scrolling. Many listings group images a bit further down or show a with photos cluster within the review feed. You can also glance at sort options to bring the most recent feedback to the top, which helps you assess current quality. On mobile, the same content is there. If you don't see the reviews tab right away, scroll below the product images and look for a reviews or feedback section. The photo thumbnails will appear alongside the comments. As you view the pictures, note details like sizing comments, how the item looks in different lighting, and any recurring themes buyers mention. Use pinch to zoom on mobile or the zoom tool on desktop to inspect seams, prints, and finishes more closely. Keep in mind that screens and lighting can slightly shift colors, so compare multiple photos to get the most accurate impression. And that's all there is to it. By going to the product page, opening the reviews tab, and scrolling to the photo reviews, you'll quickly see how the item looks in real life and shop with confidence.